to fix YouTube Music sync across devices. First, you want to simply make sure you're signed in with the same Google account on all of the devices. You want to simply tap on your YouTube Music application over here, and you want to simply tap on your profile at the top right of your screen on all of the devices. After that, if you see the same name over here and the username, you'd be able to make sure that you're signed in with a Google account. After that, you want to simply connect each of the devices to the internet. After that, you want to simply open YouTube Music on each devices, and you'd be able to refresh your library simply by pulling down over here on the home tab. YouTube Music sync problem. However, if you're still facing any kinds of problem, what you can do is you want to simply check for any kinds of update on your Play Store over here. Open your device's Play Store, and you want to simply search for YouTube Music over here. If you have any kinds of update available, you want to simply update it. However, if that doesn't solve the problem as well, you want to simply log out of all of your accounts and you want to log in again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.